Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaking toilet, specifically a leak that comes from in between the tank and the bowl. The leak that comes from here.
First of all, go to your hardware store and buy this foam seal ring gasket washer thing. Next, turn off your tank water, flush your toilet, remove the button, remove the lid, unscrew the main pipe if needed, unscrew these two long screws sticking out underneath the tank on both sides. Remove the old washer and put in the new one. And put back everything as it was before. Tighten the screws until the tank is stable. Don't over tighten. And we are done. We have fixed the toilet. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, please click on the pink round face. This video was brought to you by Cup of Chew. See you next time. Bye.